class 10, one important question it is from footprints without feet. The question is from the chapter The Midnight Visitor. The Midnight Visitor by Robert Arthur. The question is Osable, how is Osable different from other secret agents? How is Osable different from other secret agents? Then Osable was different from other secret agents. Fowler was a writer and he followed him because Osable was a secret agent. Therefore, Fowler followed him to collect materials to write a novel on espionage system, on you see such sensational work. And according to Fowler, a secret agent had a different look, had a different place to live in, had a different way to work. This was some, you see, preconsidered, prerequisite things that should be there in a secret agent. Osable was not Osable was a secret agent, but he did not fit any description of a secret agent. What was the first thing? The first thing, the place where he lived is not suitable, for a person who is a secret agent, who is a spy, who is working in intelligence department. He was he was staying on the top floor, that is the sixth floor of a gloomy French hotel, and this place did not have any romantic view. Romantic, it is not a place where romantic adventure could be seen. This is the thing. This is the first thing. The place where he lived, he was a gloomy French, and the corridor which led to the hotel was dark, dingy, was not good. Secondly, Osable physical structure, constitution. Osable did not fit a secret agent so far as his physical structure is concerned. He was fat. He was suffering from obesity, as you see in the picture. He was short also. And a secret agent should not be like that. Moreover, his accent, whenever he spoke, he could speak German and French passably. काम चलाऊ बोल सकता था. But whenever he spoke, after living 20 years in France, he was from Boston, America. But his American accent followed him, did not leave him. He did not leave American accent while pronouncing, while speaking German and French. Then this is lack of smartness in a person involved in intelligence activities, intelligence department, espionage system. Next, third, Fowler did not find Osable dealing in espionage and danger. He was living in a simple way. Fowler did not find him dealing in espionage, his activities, and danger. Fowler expected that the person like you see uh, Oshabal should be surrounded by a mysterious atmosphere, should be surrounded by black beauties, dark eyed beauties, passing some information, messages secretly to him. This was what he believed. But such was not the, condition, such was not the circumstances, atmosphere around Oshabal. Therefore, Oshabal felt let down. He felt, humiliation, because he was a writer and he thought that Osable was a great secret agent, an intelligent secret agent, a smart secret agent, living in a very, uh, you see, uh, you see, adventurous place. Uh, but all these things were not there in what we say in Oshabal. Therefore, uh, Fowler felt humiliated. He felt let down when he approached him. But when you read the story, you will find that he was a secret agent. Oshabal was a real secret agent. He was a secret agent in the real sense of the term, not by look, but by intelligence. How he kills his opponent without, uh, any पिस्तौल. थैंक यू. ये प्रश्न आपको पसंद आएगा और आर्गुमेंट्स जो हमने दिए हैं इसमें ये अच्छा लगेगा और इसको याद करना चाहिए. आप लोगों को देखना चाहिए. क्लास 10 सेवा के लिए भी है और CBS के लिए भी है. मैं चाहूँगा कि डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में ये आंसर दे दूँ. फिर भी थैंक यू.